Hello everyone, myself Nisha Kochar. The topic for this semester was Sports Club. Sports Club is all about which contributes to our life, and numerous studies have shown that it can impact your physical health, mental health, and your social life as well. Study of riverfront activities as a campus element. River and waterfront are valuable natural resources for human life. The environment and the natural development, water plays an essential role in people's lives. These are the few examples which are in front of riverfront. So, how the environment, how the landscape enhance the waterfront structures, and how the elements such as staircase, landscape, they shows an important role in these pictures. So in the first picture we can see how the water is flowing and how the staircase are being designed as per as the flow of a water. The site is located behind Papa University and upcoming developing areas, which is Trambakeshwar Road, Nasik. The total area of site is 7.72 acres. So the positive of site is which has the river front, and the site has direct access from 24-meter wide road. Site can be reached through transportation. The site zoning is done according to the semi-public spaces which are placed near the entrance and adjacent to the parking for easy access and avoiding disturbance in the campus. And the private spaces are placed far away from the main highway for uninterrupted and disturbance. Major buildings are placed Major buildings are placed in northeast of the site, which will trap the southwest wind for the better cross ventilation and to keep the building cool throughout the day and night. Site plan. This is a floor plan. As you enter into the reception, you can see the semi-public areas which is placed in front of the site, which are multi-purpose and dining area, which are placed in front, and the private area like residence and indoor sports area are being placed behind the site. Central access is provided to the site for the easy access for circulation. Indoor activities are placed behind so they can have a panoramic view of a river, and as well as the outdoor activities are placed behind so they can view the river. As you enter into the site, there is a lush landscape done, so you can have a glimpse of the structures as well as the arena is formed. Section AA, which is cutting through residence and multipurpose activities, and section BB is cutting from residence and the indoor activities, in which squash has been showed. Here are some 3D views: entrance, restaurant. This is a passage which is going through the multipurpose and restaurant. Residence. This is multipurpose activity. Swimming pool. Outdoor activities which provide cycling track and jogging track, as well as a landscape area with football court and lawn tennis.